Hello everyone. Today in this video I am going to demonstrate the step-by-step process that will help you rank your video higher in search results. If you have watched my previous video, Simple Tips to Rank Your YouTube Video Higher on YouTube Search Results, you would know I have mentioned 4 simple steps that will help rank your YouTube video higher in search results. For those who haven't, you can find a link of that video in description. The first step is to do research on keyword and the topic you are going to create the video on. So let us decide to create a food video, say making chicken fry. So the first thing to do is a little bit of research. So head on to YouTube, preferably in incognito mode, and in the search bar type chicken fry, and you can see some suggestions which are keywords. It shows the top search terms that people use to find about chicken fry. Just take note of all those important search suggestions. Now head on to any keyword tool. For this video I am using my Longtail keyword tool. I will provide link for same in description. I just open Longtail keyword tool and under seed list I will enter chicken fry. I will assign provider as YouTube and set the preferred country, and other option is maybe needed, and start search. The tool will start displaying all keywords. You can find that the first few keywords matches with the suggestion in YouTube search we conducted earlier. Go through most of the keywords and take a note of the ones you need. Sometimes you might even get ideas for some new content to be added to the video you are making based on these keywords. Step 2 is making the actual video. Make a video in the best quality possible and preferably more than 8 minutes, and make sure to add an extra 5 to 10 seconds at the end of the video for adding end screen in YouTube Studio. Upload the video onto your channel. After uploading, enter an apt title based on the keywords you have. I am going to give how to make chicken fry. I am going to add 2 more parts to the title, say easy chicken fry making guide and homely chicken fry. All these stay within 100 characters permitted by YouTube. Then I will add a description for the video. A detailed one. Hey, watch this amazing video of preparing a tasty homely chicken fry. That too easily. Watch the video in full to find out the entire process of making this yummy chicken fry dish. The recipe and ingredients used are chicken 2 kilos, chili, other ingredients, and I continue adding all ingredients. Then I would give my viewers a suggestion or link to another one of my similar video or any other social network links for contacts as necessary. And at the end I would give some hashtags, say homely chicken fry, easy chicken fry, etc. Just 3 to 4 hashtags. After the description, add a stunning thumbnail of your choice to the video. Go down, select the category of the video, and then select for kids or not for kids, and click on show more or advanced settings, and you can see the place to input tags. Add the keywords you have noted down during research here. Also enter your channel name here. Go down, choose all preferred options. Try not to add embed option as far as possible. Click on next at the end and head to view elements. In the view element section, click on add end screen. Choose the layout you prefer and go on and select each elements and reduce the end screen timing to the last 5 to 10 seconds of the video, which we have reserved for the same. After you have done, click on next. Once done with that, you will be taken to copyright screen. No copyright, so it's fine. Click on next. On the final screen, publish video as public and select set as an instant premiere. This would Help notify your subscribers that a new video is coming in a few minutes is a premiere. Publish the video, watch it along with your viewers after the countdown. After the initial premieres, we go to step 4, sharing the video with our family, friends and supporters to get more likes, comments, views and interactions. The more interactions you get in the initial few hours, the better. And this will help to rank your video higher in search results. I hope everyone found this video useful and informative. Do comment your feedback. If you haven't subscribed yet, do subscribe. And do feel free to get in touch for any free tips.